Hey guys, this is Vatec back with episode 2 of Minecraft modding tutorials. In this episode I'll teach you how to add a new block into Minecraft. So first thing you'll need to do is open up your mod underscore whatever file in Eclipse, and under the public class mod underscore tutorial, inside the bracket there you need to type in public static block with a capital B, and then the name of your block. This is the in-game name, encoding name. So it's not going to show up in game. So I'm just going to call mine tutorial block, and then equals new block, and then this is the class for your block. So mine's going to be called block tutorial. Then do brackets. Then a number, which is the block ID. So block IDs can be anything from, well, whatever's free, but they have to be lower than 255. So I'm going to make mine 187, and then comma, and then 0. Then you want to go dot set hardness with a capital H, brackets 1.0f. That's the how long it takes for that's how hard your block is to break, so you can mess around with those numbers. And dot set resistance, and then 1.0f, that's how resistant it is to TNT. And then set light value 1.0f, that's how much light it emits. 0 is no light, and 1 is full light, I think. But you can just play around with that. And then set block name, and just make that the same as it is back here after block. So mine's going to be called tutorial block, and then finish that line off with a semicolon. Now it's going to give you an error saying that it can't find block tutorial, because you're going to need to go create class block tutorial, or whatever it is, and then just after the public, once you're in the new class, after public class block tutorial, go extends block with a capital B. And now in here, you need to go public block tutorial bracket int I comma int j, and then brackets there, super I comma j comma material dot, and then whatever the material you want it to be, so what type of block it is. I'm just going to do material dot ground, which is here, so that's basically dirt, and then finish off that line with a semicolon. Now after that you need to go public int id dropped int I comma random, make sure you get the capitalization right, and then brackets there, and it's going to say it can't find random, so you just gotta go import random. Now return mod underscore whatever your mod is, so mine's mod underscore material dot tutorial block, that's what mine is, dot block ID. So that means it'll drop whatever block ID tutorial block is. You can change that as well. And then you need to go public int quantity dropped random, and then brackets, and this is just how much your block's going to drop. So I'm going to return 1, and then it'll drop 1 item. Now next thing, you're going to go back into here, and under public void load you need to add mod loader with a capital L dot register block, and then mine's tutorial block, so whatever it is up here. And you do that for every block you create, because that registers the block in game. then then you go tutorial block, whatever you made it, dot block index in texture equals mod loader with a capital L dot add override, and then talking marks slash terrain dot png, and after those talking marks do a comma, then slash whatever. I'm just going to call mine block.png, so that means that the file which the block looks like will be located in minecraft.jar called block.png, and you can add folders in that, so that'll be located in minecraft.jar slash folder slash block.png. And then finally mod loader with a capital L dot add name, and then tutorial block, comma, talking marks, and this is what it's going to be in game when you hover your mouse over it. So I'm just going to call mine tutorial space block, then finish that line with a semicolon. And now that is it for that tutorial. That'll create your block. If you want to find out how to add crafting recipes or smelting recipes, just check out my other videos.